How many times have you gone out and gotten the perfect Valentine's Day gift? You just knew it. You spent time researching what it is that your partner absolutely loved, and you went out and you made it happen, only to be totally devastated to find out they didn't think it was all that. Hi, I'm Robyn D'Angelo, licensed marriage and family therapist and the happy couple expert. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly how to get the perfect Valentine's Day gift for your partner. So, anytime we're thinking about, okay, there's a lot of pressure, I have to do this just right, we can start to get tripped up. We can start to get in our heads and we start to forget who it is that we are shopping for or who it is that we're planning for. We go into, I have got to do the best. I have got to create the most amazing day, or I have got to really show up. Guess what? When we get stuck in that I, we forget about the person who we should be focusing on. So, in order to give your partner the very best either gift or experience of Valentine's Day, here's all you need to do. Start paying attention this week. What is it that they're complaining about? What is it that they're feeling frustrated or stressed out about? Listen for those kinds of comments. Listen for things that they say, gosh, I just wish it would be so much easier if we won the lottery tomorrow, this is what I would do. That's what I want you to start listening for. And if you're not hearing some of those things from your partner, maybe your partner's not a complainer. Maybe your partner just kind of secretly and silently stews over what's frustrating them. I want you to start asking them little questions. Here's a really magical question that can help in any relationship, any time of year. It's this: what's one thing that I could do today to just make your day a little bit better? Start with that question. Here's the thing, once you find out what is frustrating your partner, what they would love help with, what they're stressed out about, you can make sure to take that information and create the most amazing experience for your partner on Valentine's Day and beyond. So that's it. I hope that was a helpful tip for you guys. Take this, go out and have the most amazing Valentine's Day. And remember, subscribe to my channel so that you can get the most practical and useful tips, tools, and strategies to create your very own relationship that lasts. See you next time.